ni ceceni ya Inooro TV.
Mamwe mamaria tukuharirie Inooro Hwainī ashirithania mugwanja igoti itogirumari na kifarua gia gutoni mwahuri kwa ABC ukaruta wira shira-ini wa githurano.
I will stand firm. I will not be shaken. And the voice of the people of Kenya as expressed on the 9th of August must be respected.
Raila Odinga ugite kiria we arenda na njira ya guthii gotini ni kumenya uma ukonie githurano kia President Muthure William Ruto augite githurano giekirwo na utheri agitetera Chebukati na kumwita njamba. Na ofitha IEBC na honge cia ugitiri matinda mihango-ini ya kuhariria githurano kia rucio. Nigatho cia mwanya ni undu wa kuirorera Inooro TV ona hamwe na kunyitanira hamwe na ithwe tukiambiria mohoro maya ma Inooro Hwainī. Ritwa riakwa ni Winrose Wangui, memereke bitu no thiomi rwa cieko ni Wangari wa Macharia. Na tukiambiria ni ati mutongoria wa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance Raila Odinga augite ati kihoto no kio arabatara shira-ini wa gutetia maumira ma giturwa kia president. Akiaria kanitha-ini wa AIC Kibra, Odinga ni okireire muikairigiti wa commission ya ithurano na mihaka wa Chebukati ni kiria agwetete ati ni kwahorania commission ino na gutuma Kenya marigwo ni ku umaurugamire. Julius Karithi wa Munene ni aratariria. Thikomu wajanicio itigarite itua ria muthia rineano ni majaji mugwanja aria marathukio rito wa ciro ria utemanitio igoti-ini wa gutetia mumirira ma githurano kia mwaka uyu. Mutongoria wa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance Raila Odinga ari umwe wa aria maratetia umwe wa mumirira macio augite ndari no ndungi abataritio niguo makiria ta kihoto kia igoti kiria gietereirwo ni mamilioni ma Akenya.
Mimi Raila Odinga siogopi. Kama nilishinda nitasema nimeshindwa. Kama nilishinda nitasema nimeshindwa na nitarudi nyumbani. Lakini ukweli uko wapi? Mimi nina hakika sijashindwa, and therefore I will stand firm. I will not be shaken. And the voice of the people of Kenya as expressed on the 9th of August must be respected.
Jatokano inirie ciyumiritie wiri-ini iria uhanditwo ni miena eri ya makomishona a IEBC utukanite meciria ma Akenya kwaga kumenya mwena uria mabatie kumenya uri na uma wa ndeto ino. Odinga akiuga ni kionereria kia ati kuri na uma muhithirire uria urerete kubuka kiumia giki.
Kama mwenyekiti wa tume ya uchaguzi anaweza kusema ati alikuwa anataka kuhongwa, nani alikuwa anataka kuhonga yeye? Na ni pesa ngapi? Na mbona haya kusema ati alikuwa anataka kuhongwa? Alisema yeye anataka si kupigwa. Sasa anasema ati unataka kunihonga mimi. Pesa ngapi?
Somebody given a responsibility to head an important commission such as IEBC anaweza acha tume ya uchaguzi isambaratike kwa mkono yake. Ile sarakasi tumeona wiki hii ni sarakasi ya ajabu.
We have confidence in the Supreme Court. Sisi tunaenda the justice way. We are behind you baba. Na wakisema turudie kule wamesema wanakupea kura tena kwa wingi vile walikupea.
Ndumiriri ino arutete ari kanitha-ini wa AIC Kibra uria mutongoria uyu orete arumiri yake mageno okiriria miario yake kinyitwo mbaru ni atongoria angi aria morete mabũrũri ma nanja maikare haraya gwitikiria bũrũri wa Kenya utuithanie thina waguo hatari kuingirirwo.
What I'm asking for as Raila Amolo Odinga is to be told the truth. And this is not just because of the elections of 2022. It's for posterity. We don't want to go into an election and see the kind of charade that we're seeing today.
Sisi wote Nairobi na Kenya tuko nyuma yako. Tuko nyuma yako. Mia kwa mia.
We don't want to be pushed by foreigners. Our foreign friends, whom we have welcomed into this country, must also respect us. Let them give us space to do our things in the manner we know it best.
Hii wiki muweke Mungu mbele. Muombe kila siku. Manake Baba, wakati huu umefanya maajabu. Umeshika mwizi mkononi. Hawezi ponyoka na uongozi wetu.
Rere fururi wetrire na mito itua ria muthia ri igoti ciini ria urorete guthikiririo kiumia giki mutongoria wa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance Raila Odinga ni oritie arumiriri ake magena wetereri na mathigatithie thayo ari na mwihoko wati itua ria muthia ni rigathigatithia kihoto kire gikagwa mwena wao. Ribotera Inooro TV kuma kanithaini wa AIC Kibira county ya Nairobi. Jitagwo Julius Kareithi wa Munene.
Thutha wa gukuruhanio cira uria utamanitio igoti-ini itugiru wa gutetia maumira ma githurano kia president Raphael Tuju ni atikirite kuga ati ni acemania na muikarigiti wa commission ya ithurano mihaka Wafula Chebukati akiuga we acaragia anja ya kuma kuri Chebukati ya gutariria tondu ni kwaiguikanite ati ni kuri na form 34A ciacenjanagio hindi ya utari wa kura. Hindi oyo Tuju ni atariria ati kuri ni ataririe na akauga ati commission ya IEBC ni yageretie kumwetha na njira ya hitho ona mbere ya githurano. Oho akira Chebukati etikire kumbura oma waniki giatumaga mamwethe.
Agicokia kuringana na marua maria muikarigiti wa commission ya ithurano na mihaka Wafula Chebukati andikire igoti itugiru cira-ini uria wambikitwo wa gutetia maumirira ma githurano kia president Raphael Tuju uria ugwetanitio cira-ini uyu augite kiria kia mutwarite ceceni-ini ya utari wa kura ya Bomas ni kugia na giikaro na rugamiriri wa commission ino thutha wake gukunyirwo ni afithaa umwe wa IEBC uhoro wigie ucenjia wa fomu imwe cia 34A.
I did give an account to Mr. Gulie that there was a worry that the Form 34As were being changed. And he told me that there's nothing he can do. He is not the returning officer. Mr. Chebukati is the returning officer. So I should go and talk to Chebukati. Yet he was on the floor when there were all kinds of strange excuses.
Tuju augite ni ageririe gukinyira Chebukati maita maiganona no akigirio ni afithaa aria marangeire waficiria Chebukati arutagira wira ceceni-ini ya Bomas.
I did insist that nobody is going to stop me from getting into that office. I'm a Kenyan citizen and I'm not trying to do anything wrong. So I told his own security people that I also have security and you'll have to shoot me to stop me from getting in. And I went in. And I found him with Molu, Marjan, and himself.
Muthia Tuju ataririe ni ahotire gucemania na Chebukati na kumuhe mateta make